Hi everyone, Chef Petey back again after a long hiatus. So today I'd like to share with you my meatball tofu spinach soup recipe. It's my own creation. It's healthy, hearty, nutritious, and very simple to make. I hope you get a chance to try it out for yourself. So if you're ready, let's get started. Okay, let's take a look at what we need for today. We're going to start off with 5 ounces of ground pork, 5 ounces of white shrimp. This is peeled and deveined. We're going to mince it and mix it with the pork. I have a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of sugar. I have a dash of white pepper powder, a dash of sesame oil. We're going to need an egg white, half a tablespoon of light soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, and 1 tablespoon of water. Also have tofu. This is a firm tofu. We're going to use probably half of this. And also have a bag of spinach. For the soup stock, we're going to need approximately 8 cups of chicken stock. Or if you don't have chicken stock, you can use water, but I normally use a chicken base or chicken powder. You're going to need a few slices of ginger, half a teaspoon of salt, and I put a little bit of MSG in here, and that's optional. 1/8 teaspoon of white pepper powder, and 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. Okay, let's mince the shrimp. Okay, so let's mince this up. Real simple. Just get it all cut up here. Good enough. Doesn't have to be super fine. Maybe little chunks is fine. Transfer that into a bowl. And I'm going to put the ground pork in here. Now we're going to put some seasoning in there. Alright, so let's going to add the salt, sugar, white pepper powder, sesame oil, soy sauce, cornstarch, egg white. And we're just going to mix it. You want to mix it until it starts to get firm. Right now it's still a little bit watery. And as you mix it, the water will absorb into the meat. It'll get firm. Mix it for about a minute or so. As you can see, it starts to get thick. All right, so we're gonna get some boiling water, and then we're gonna start making the meatballs. So I'm gonna give you a little tip on how to make these meatballs nice and round. So I have a pair of gloves. I put a little bit of oil on here. You gotta grab a spoon, and so you're gonna grab meatball here, and you just squeeze it out like this. And then right when you got enough on here, scoop it out. Place it in. The water is just about boiling here. And you can make it to whatever size you like. And just keep the spoon wet. Okay, all done. Now let it cook for about maybe about 8 minutes or so. Okay, while that's cooking, let's cut up the tofu. Okay, so I'm going to open the box. Now, there's going to be water in here, so you're going to dump out the water. And again, I think I'm just going to use half this, and you can use all of it. Entirely up to you. And just cut it into maybe 1/2 inch cubes. And of course, if you don't like tofu, you don't have to put tofu, you just put other vegetables in. You know, you can use bok choy, Napa cabbage, shiitake mushroom, carrots, rice noodle, egg noodle. So anything. This is a very versatile recipe. And we'll put that in, and then we'll save this for something else. Maybe I'll do a mapa tofu. Look at my other recipes. I'll have a couple of tofu recipes in my playlist. Spinach. I think I'll put half of it in here. very tender. Just right. A little bit of sesame oil. You can taste that ginger, just a little bit of ginger in there. Very flavorful. So I hope you get a chance to try it out. Like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Great, so a bunch of viewers are interested in buying these black t-shirts, Dragon House t-shirts. So if you're interested, please email me at this address down here, right there. And let me know what size and quantity you want. And then we'll try to get some and get them out to you.